Cannabinoid receptors are found throughout the human body, embedded in the cell membranes that are responsible for regulating multiple processes that we experience daily, including mood, appetite, memory, and pain sensation. When they're activated, it can be by naturally occurring endocannabinoids, as well as by the phytocannabinoids found in hemp and cannabis. There are two major cannabinoid receptors, CB1 and CB2. Researchers speculate there may be a third cannabinoid receptor waiting to be discovered. CB1 receptors are concentrated in the brain and central nervous system, but also sparsely populate other parts of our bodies. CB1 receptors deal with thinking, mood, appetite, memories, pain, emotion, movement, coordination, and several other functions. THC attaches to these receptors. CB2 receptors are mostly in the peripheral organs, especially cells associated with the immune system. CB2 receptors affect inflammation and pain. Scientists once believed that CBD attached to the CB2 receptors, but new studies have indicated that CBD does not attach directly to either receptor. Instead, it's believed that CBD influences the endocannabinoid system indirectly. When someone takes CBD, the compound goes into your system and to the endocannabinoid system, ECS. Since cannabidiol has been found to have no particular binding affinity, scientists believe CBD's therapeutic benefits created via indirect action. CBD inhibits fatty acid amide hydrolase (FAAH), which breaks down anandamide and weakens it. CBD weakens FAAH, which leads to an increased concentration of anandamide. Anandamide is considered the bliss molecule, and plays an important role in the generation of pleasure and motivation. The increased concentration of anandamide can have a positive effect on the endocannabinoid system. CBD also affects the fatty acid binding protein, FABP. FABP proteins bind to anandamide and transport the enzyme outside the synapse to broken down and metabolized by the FAAH. CBD affects the transportation process of FABP so that less anandamide is metabolized, again resulting in a higher concentration of anandamide. Finally, CBD binds itself to the G protein receptors known as TRPV1. TRVP1 receptors are involved in regulating pain, body temperature, and inflammation. It is through this bind that scientists believe CBD helps with inflammation and pain relief. Now that we know how CBD works in the body, let's talk about some common side effects and drug interactions.